This is my first try at a beef Wellington using the Gordon Ramsay Christmas recipe on the Gordon Ramsay website. Check this out. Look at that. Oh, that is so perfect. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I'm definitely going to enjoy this. Thank you, Gordon Ramsay. Beef Wellington. Actually, when you first read about it, you're thinking, oh, that's going to be a pain, but it's actually quite easy to make. Alright, had my first bite, and this stuff is so good, and that cremini mushroom mix you put in there, that is delicious. Give it a try if you got any tenderloin laying around. Like I said, it's spendy, so it's not something you'd make all the time, but it sure is good.